Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 9, subject Social Science, chapter number 18. The name of the chapter is the Wildlife. Dear children, in the previous lecture we have already learned that India has diversified the relief and the climate, and according to that there are about the 15 lakh species of the wildlife, of which about 81,251 species are in India. Already we have learned in the previous lecture also that what happened that if you see the entire world, then how many 15 lakh species of the wildlife are recorded, and out of which 81,251 species are found in India. If you see the other data, then already we have to learn that the 1,230 varieties of the birds are there, 496 types of the reptile is available, 210 types of the amphibians is there, 398 types of the mammals is there, 2,546 types of the fishes is there, and 60,000 types of the insects are available. All these things we have to learn into the previous lecture. Now next topic our is there, dear children, wildlife and the need for the conservation. What is our next topic? Wildlife and the need for the conservation. વન્યજીવો અને સંરક્ષણની જરૂરિયાતો. While going through the past, if you to see the data of the past, it become the evident that there is a dangerous to the existence of the wildlife. What happened that, dear children, if you have to see the past data and the present data, then totally evident that there is a dangerous into the existence of the wildlife since from the last few decades. What happened that, dear children, since from the last few decades, before 100 years, thousands of the tigers are seen in India. What happened that, dear children, remember, before 100 years ago, thousands of tigers are seen in India. But as per the figure of 2014 given by the Forest and Environment Ministry, the figure is 2,226. What happened, dear children? If you see that there are about 2,226 tigers today, according to the data of 2014 in the Madhya Pradesh and the West Bengal. Tiger have grown in the number, which is the evident from the imprint of their foot taken during the last few years. This is a good sign. Vultures are on the verge of becoming the extinct due to eating the meat which become the polluted by diclofenac drug used in the treatment of the sick milk cattle. Asiatic cheetah, if you have to see the information of the Asiatic cheetah seen in the forest in the beginning of the 20th century have become the existence from the India. Once the Asiatic lions of the Gir, which were seen even up to the Middle East, are now restricted to the Gir forest only, and with due to step taken for the protection, now their number is only the 523. If you to see that what happened, the dear children, Asiatic lions are found only in the Gir forest of the Gujarat. If you see, according to the data of the 2015, there are only 523 lions are today. And you know very well that panther is one of the existence animal in India. Once the cranes were seen in the large number of the Gujarat, but now their number is also the reducing. Wildlife is an inseparable part of the living organisms, but the decrease in their number somewhere and during the few years the reduce the quality of the environment. What happened, the dear children? We remember that here the wildlife is an inseparable part of the living organism, but the decrease in their number due to what happened then during a few years reduce the quality of the environment, which is a matter of the concern. It means we have to take care about the environment also. Same way, the eagle, a resident of the mountain forest in the Gujarat, is now rarely seen. After Chilotro, seen in the forest of the Vijayanagar Taluka of the Sabarkantha district, is also rarely seen today. It means what happened there? Maximum species are rarely seen today. It is obvious that endless human greed. What happened that it is obvious that endless human greed and the run for the progress have made the environmental imbalance. What happened that why we can say that there is a requirement for the conservation of the wildlife? Because imbalance of the environment and adverse effect of the human greed and run for the progress we are required to save the wildlife. Still there is a time. If the proper action are not taken, then the next generation would see the wildlife only in the picture. What happened there, dear children? This is the most important sentence. If as a human being we cannot take the responsibility in the proper way, then what happened then? For the next generation, they are only seeing the wildlife in the picture. That's why this is the responsibility that you have to take care about wildlife. Same thing. What happened then? Due to the destruction of the forest in India, the wildlife is putting much in the trouble. You know very well that what happened that due to the destruction of the forest today, the wildlife is also facing much problem of the trouble. Next topic is, dear children, important national park and the sanctuary of the India. Which one? Important national park and sanctuary in India. And already this full chart they have to given in your textbook also. Now, first national park important. Which one, dear children? Kaziranga National Park. Which one? And this is the important for the map also. You have to remember that Kaziranga in Assam state. Now, which sanctuary? If you have to see about the sanctuary, then which kind of the Vanyajiv we are found there? Rhino, wild buffalo and deer. Kaziranga, Assam. First one. Second one is Thar Desert. Which one? Thar Desert. In which state? In Rajasthan. If you have to see the name of the animal, that desert bull, desert care and the bustard. Third one, Kanha, Madhya Pradesh. Which one, dear children? Kanha. Where this national park is located? In which state? In Madhya Pradesh. You have to see the tiger and antelope. Next, fourth one, Gir National Park. Gir National Park, Gujarat. You have to see in sanctuary lion, leopard and cheetah. Fifth one, Vedavagar Kalia National Park. Which one, dear children? Vedavagar Kalia National Park. Where it is located? It is located same into the Gujarat. Now, which animal we have to see in this sanctuary? Blackbird, wolf, peacock and the bustard. Sixth one, next one, Keoladeo. Where Keoladeo? Where it is located? It is located in Bharatpur, Rajasthan state. And birds and migratory and the local birds we have to see. Seventh one, they have to given about the Bandipur. Which one, dear children? Seventh one, Bandipur. It means in the Karnataka state. In sanctuary we have to see the elephant, deer, hare and the wild cat. Eighth one, they have to given about the Dachigam. In which state? In Kashmir. We have to see Hamur, Kashmiri deer and musk deer. And ninth one, they have to given about the Corbett. Where it is located? It is located in Himalayan foothills. And we have to see in sanctuary tiger, elephant, leopard and the deer. So, dear children, you have to remember the important national park. Which one? I am repeating the name of the all important national park. Kaziranga, Thar Desert, Kanha, Gir National Park, Vedavagar Kalia National Park, after Keoladeo, Bandipur, the Chiga and the Corbett. Out of them, you have to remember in the map also Kaziranga, Gir National Park and the Corbett. These three is the most important for the map also. And already they have to given in your textbook the India National Park and the Century map. In blue line, they have to in the blue dotted line. In circle way, they have given wildlife sanctuary, after they given the bird sanctuary and the national park. In the map, you also remember Kaziranga, after Nal Sarovar, Kanha, after Gir. These all are the important places you have to remember in the map also. So dear children, in this lecture we have to learn about the wildlife, the need for the conservation and the important national park in the century of the India. Thank you.